Hey there, crafters. Welcome back to Gina C Creates. Today we're going to make these adorable travel gift card holders. This one is a vintage luggage and it has a gift card pocket inside, and then it has a little lock at the top. And next we have a travel backpack. It is so cute with straps on the back and in the front to hold it down. And these will hold any standard gift card, and you can even put cash inside and a special note. And then next we have my favorite, this cute beach bag. It has an insert that'll hold your gift card, and it has cute beach towel and sandals with a tumbler. Here are the supplies you will need. I'm just using a variety of colored cardstock, and then I have a metallic gold. I'm going to use my Barely Art craft glue with a scoring stylus. You may need a silicone brush. I use that to smear out my glue, and then I have my Cricut scraper, and of course you'll need your cutting machine. I will have links for these SVG files down in the video description. So once you upload the Suitcase SVG, you want to make sure that it is sized to 4.75 in width, and then you can ungroup it. And then you'll be able to select all the little elements that I have for the decorations of the luggage, and you can change the colors. So I'm just going to show you what you need to do to prep this SVG. You can move all these out of the way, or you could just select in the right layers panel. But these three shapes to my right are going to need to be changed to score lines. So if you just put their group arrow down, you can see that there's cut lines on top of these shapes, and you just change them to score lines, and then you select the whole group and hit attach. And then we're going to go down and find the next group and change those cut lines to score lines, and then attach the whole group. And lastly, we have the third group, and we're going to switch that cut line to a score line and then attach the whole group. So now you have all your score lines set, so you can just go on to make, and you can arrange your shapes on your mat, or you can just change the material size and it'll do it for you. So just lay down your cardstock and make sure you cut out on the appropriate settings, and you load your scoring stylus into your Cricut machine and cut out all the layers, making sure you don't lose any pieces. And I like to roll back my mat upside down, and this helps keep my cardstock nice and straight. So here are all the pieces cut out. Now we're ready to assemble our luggage. So you're going to take that luggage card and you're going to fold it in half, making sure that score line is nice and straight. And then you're going to grab the little corner buckles, and we're going to put glue on the back of them, and then we're going to place them in each of the four corners on the front side and on the back side. So you should have 8 of these little buckles in total. Next, we're going to take the luggage straps, and those are the ones with the stitching all the way down, and we're going to place glue on the back and place those right in the center, on one on each side. And then we'll grab our gold little buckles and place 4 on the front side and 4 on the back, and we're just going to space it out evenly to act like it's holding down the belt straps. And then we can fold it in half. Next, we're going to take the gold lock and place that at the top center of the back of the luggage, and we're just going to apply glue to the tab at the end, and we're going to put that right up to the edge of the top of the luggage where it closes, and then we'll just fold it over to the other side. And then we're going to find our small blue strap, and we're only going to place a dot of glue at each end of the strap because we don't want it to glue down in the center. So we're going to hold down our gold lock and then place it over in the middle of the gold lock and hold it down on each side until it's completely dry. And then we are going to add the little blue circle to the top of the gold lock, and then let that dry completely before you try opening and closing it. So while that dries, I'm going to put on the handle for the luggage. So you're going to get that long blue strip, and it has diagonal score lines. So you're just going to fold those over in the same direction. And it should look like this once you're done. And we are going to glue this to the back side of the luggage, not on the same side where the lock is showing. So you're just going to place it on the back over the blue straps and hold that down in the center. And then you'll be able to open and close it once it's completely dry. And then next we're going to fold over the score lines for the pocket for the gift card. And I'm just going to use a straight edge to make sure these score lines are nice and straight. And I am going to apply glue all over the tabs to the very edges. And you're going to place this on the inside of the back panel, and you're going to place it like a half an inch above the fold line and let it dry. And now you have cute little vintage gift card holders. Next, I'm going to show you how to create the travel backpack gift card holder. And we're going to make sure it's uploaded the correct inches in width, which is 8 inches wide. And then we can ungroup it and select each layer. You can customize these to the colors you want, but I'm just going to show you where you need to change your score line. So right here on this arch panel, you have a cut line that you need to change to a score line, and then select the whole group and attach. And then for the front of the backpack, you have a set of cut lines that you need to change as well, and make sure you attach those to the shape that it's grouped with. And then we're going to do the same thing for the back of the backpack straps and then the top handle of the backpack as well. So you're just finding all those cut lines and changing them to score lines and then attaching them to the shape that they are grouped with. And then we're ready to cut. And once you have all the pieces cut out, we are going to begin assembling it. So I'm going to start with the arch panel, and I'm going to fold it over at the score line. And next I am going to add the front of the backpack, which has the 3 score lines, and we are going to fold those over in the same direction. And then we're going to get our Barely Art craft glue and fill up the tabs to the very edges. And we are going to place that at the bottom of the arch panel. And we're just going to hold it in place until it's completely dry. And then we're going to add the front pocket to the backpack. So we're going to grab our little rectangle shape and put that in the center on the bottom. And then we'll grab our little gold zipper and we'll place that on top of the pocket. And then we are going to add our straps to the top of the arch. So I'm going to only apply glue to the top of my straps, and I'm going to place those in the center on one on each side. And then I'm going to let those dry and just make sure that the straps don't go past the pocket. So that's how high you know where to put it on the arch. And then you're going to take these 2 pink tabs and you're only going to place glue on each end. So like 1 dot on each side, and place it over the straps and then hold it down until it's completely dry. And then we're going to flip over the backpack and we're going to add on our handle at the top. So you're going to fold over those diagonal score lines and then just place glue at the very ends and place it onto the center at the top. And then next we're going to fold over our backpack straps, and you have a tab at each end. So you're going to place the top tab first where it's thicker, and then you're going to curve your straps up more so it can have a 3D effect. And then you're just going to hold those in place until they're completely dry. And then all you need to do is open up the flap of the backpack and add your gift card inside, and you have a cute backpack gift card holder. And then lastly, I'm going to show you how to make the beach bag, which is my favorite. And we're going to upload that SVG file to Cricut Design Space and make sure it is sized as 9 inches in width. And then you can ungroup the SVG. And to prep this one, there is cut lines and score lines that you need to attach. So for the beige insert, you have 2 round cut lines that you need to attach. Those are going to stay cut lines. And then you have the beach bag template that has cut lines, and we're going to change those to score lines and attach it to the beach bag. So after you have that done and you change the colors to your liking, we can go ahead and make this one as well. And make sure you just cut on the appropriate settings for cardstock. And now that we have all the pieces cut out, I am going to begin to assemble the gift card insert. So I'm going to start with the beach towel, and I'm going to get my colorful stripes, and I am going to put those onto my towel in the same direction, and then I'm going to glue the towel on to the insert, and then I'm going to assemble my cute tumbler with the lid and the handle, and I am going to put glue on the back of that and place that on the insert where the spot has its outline. And then I'm going to put my sandals together with the straps on top of each sandal. And then I'm going to place those in the center so they overlap the towel and the tumbler. And then we have our insert done. So now we're going to move on to the beach bag. And we're going to fold over those two tabs on the side along at the bottom for the other side. And just use your straight edge to make sure that these score lines are nice and straight. And we're going to apply glue to the inside of the tabs all the way to the edges on each side. And then we're going to fold over the other side on top, and we're going to hold it down until it's completely dry. And then we're going to get our skinny small stripes and put those on the bottom where it has the two indentions. And you're going to do the same thing for the other side. And then we're going to put our beach bag handles together. So we're going to grab our glue and place little dots in each circle. And then you can place the white circles on top. And then on the back of the handle, you're going to place a dot of glue behind the circles. And you're going to curl your handle. And you're going to place it right in the center on each side of the beach bag. And then you can just grab your gift card, put it in the insert, and place that inside your bag. And now we have 3 adorable gift card holders that we made, great for travel, vacations, or newlyweds, or graduations for students traveling abroad. You can find the links for these SVG templates down in the video description. I'm Gina C Creates, so you can make.